Welcome back to FreshCo Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Serenity in style, the modern farmhouse embracing nature. The modern farmhouse is a harmonious blend of rustic charm and contemporary design, perfectly situated in a picturesque landscape. With a lush green lawn in front and rolling hills behind, this home offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Let's explore the key features of this stunning abode, highlighting its unique spaces and the tranquility they provide. As you approach the modern farmhouse, the first thing that captures your attention is its inviting facade. The exterior combines traditional elements, such as a gabled roof and wooden siding, with modern touches like large windows and sleek lines. The front porch, adorned with comfortable seating and potted plants, beckons you to sit and enjoy the view of the expansive green lawn. This outdoor space serves as a perfect gathering spot for family and friends, allowing for leisurely afternoons spent soaking in the beauty of nature. The landscaping complements the farmhouse's aesthetic, with carefully curated flower beds and native plants that enhance the natural surroundings. The vibrant green lawn stretches out before the house, creating a seamless transition between the home and the landscape. This thoughtful design not only enhances curb appeal, but also fosters a sense of tranquility, making the front of the home a welcoming introduction to the peaceful lifestyle that awaits inside. Stepping inside, the living room exudes warmth and comfort, embodying the essence of modern farmhouse design. With its open layout, the space feels airy and inviting, thanks to large windows that flood the room with natural light. The decor features a mix of rustic and contemporary elements, such as a cozy sectional sofa, reclaimed wood accents, and a stylish coffee table. This harmonious blend creates a space that is both stylish and functional, perfect for relaxation or entertaining guests. The living room also serves as a central hub for family gatherings. A fireplace, often the focal point of the room, adds a touch of coziness during cooler months, while the surrounding seating encourages conversation and connection. The design encourages a flow between indoor and outdoor living, with easy access to the front porch and backyard, allowing residents to fully embrace the serene environment that the modern farmhouse offers. The bedroom in this modern farmhouse is a sanctuary of peace and relaxation. Designed with comfort in mind, it features soft, neutral colors and natural materials that create a calming atmosphere. Large windows frame breathtaking views of the green hills, allowing the beauty of the outdoors to become a part of the room. The bed, often adorned with plush bedding and decorative pillows, invites restful nights and rejuvenating sleep. In addition to its aesthetic appeal, the bedroom is designed for functionality. Ample storage solutions, such as built-in closets and bedside tables, keep the space organized and clutter-free. A cozy reading nook or a small workspace can also be incorporated, providing a personal retreat within the home. This thoughtful design ensures that the bedroom is not just a place to sleep, but a true haven for relaxation and self-care. The dining room is a celebration of togetherness, designed to foster connections over shared meals. With a large farmhouse table as the centerpiece, this space invites family and friends to gather and create lasting memories. The room is adorned with rustic decor, such as a statement chandelier and vintage-inspired tableware, which enhance the farmhouse aesthetic while maintaining a modern flair. Natural light pours in through large windows, creating an inviting atmosphere for both casual breakfasts and formal dinners. The dining room seamlessly connects to the kitchen and living areas, promoting an open-concept layout that encourages interaction. Whether it's a holiday feast or a simple weeknight dinner, this space embodies the spirit of community and the joy of sharing meals together. The kitchen is the heart of the modern farmhouse, combining functionality with style. Featuring high-end appliances and ample counter space, it is designed for both cooking enthusiasts and casual chefs alike. The layout often includes an island, providing additional workspace, and a casual dining area for quick meals or morning coffee. The use of natural materials, such as wood and stone, adds warmth and character to the space. Incorporating open shelving and decorative accents, the kitchen not only serves as a functional area, but also as a visual delight. The design encourages a seamless flow between cooking and entertaining, allowing hosts to engage with guests while preparing meals. With views of the green lawn and hills beyond, the kitchen becomes a place where culinary creativity flourishes amidst the beauty of nature. The bathroom in this modern farmhouse is a tranquil retreat, designed to evoke a spa-like experience. Featuring a combination of modern fixtures and rustic elements, such as a freestanding tub and natural stone tiles, the space promotes relaxation and rejuvenation. Large windows provide natural light and stunning views of the surrounding landscape, creating a serene atmosphere for self-care. Thoughtful design elements, such as double vanities and ample storage, enhance the functionality of the bathroom while maintaining its aesthetic appeal. The use of calming colors and natural materials contributes to a soothing ambience, making it a perfect place to unwind after a long day. The incorporation of plants or greenery can further enhance the connection to nature, bringing a touch of the outdoors inside.